Even as the Uttar Pradesh government faces flack for its apathy towards riot victims, it has suspended a 1998 batch IS officer who is expected to retire next month. This for causing delay in the construction of a swimming pool complex in Mulayam Singh Yadav's native village of Saifai. Shailesh Singh is a senior bureaucrat who has been suspended for 2 months despite the fact that he retires in January. Questions are being raised over whether his suspension has anything to do with his proximity to BSP leaders. Shailesh Singh has been suspended after he was found prima facie guilty of irregularities and negligence. This because he allegedly held back payments to government and private agencies that led to delays in the construction of a world-class all-weather swimming pool complex. A political storm has now broken out over the selective targeting of bureaucrats in the state. All right, for more, let's get in a word from BJP leader Lakshmikant Bajpai, who's joining us on the phone line. Thanks so much for speaking to Headlines today, Mr. Bajpai. Your first reaction, while there are children dying in Muzaffarnagar and there's a principal secretary saying that they're not dying because of cold but because of some other treatment or illnesses that they've picked up, the Samajwadi Party government is busy focusing on a swimming pool that's been delayed.
निश्चित तौर पर समाजवादी पार्टी संवेदनहीन सरकार के रूप में काम कर रही है उत्तर प्रदेश में। जिस प्रकार 48 एक तरफ तो मुस्लिम तुष्टीकरण का ढोल पीटती है, एक तरफ राहत शिविरों में 48 से बच्चे नवजात शिशुओं की मौत हो जाना, शिविर के बारे में आदरणीय मुलायम सिंह यादव जी का ये बयान आना कि अब वहां पर भाजपाई और कांग्रेसी रह रहे हैं, शिविर में शरणार्थी नहीं रह रहे हैं, और अब उससे भी आगे बढ़कर प्रमुख सचिव गृह कि वहां पर साइबेरिया में जब मौतें नहीं होती तो वहां कैसे मौत हो गई। प्रमुख सचिव गृह ने शायद साइबेरिया देखा नहीं होगा कि वहां के रहने वाले किन कपड़ों के साथ वहां पर रहते हैं, किस प्रकार का उनकी लाइफ स्टाइल है, किस प्रकार का उनका भोजन व्यवस्था है, और हिंदुस्तान कैसी है, मुजफ्फरनगर में कैसी है। लेकिन उनका ये बयान आदरणीय मुलायम सिंह यादव जी के उस बयान के बाद प्रेरित होकर राजनीतिक आकाओं को खुश करने की दृष्टि से आया है। इस बयान की जितनी निंदा की जाए उतना थोड़ा है।
Absolutely, and Mr. Bajpai, we are also seeing selective action from the Samajwadi Party government. There's a principal secretary who's making these insensitive remarks. There's no action taken against him, but on the other hand, an IS officer is suspended because of a delay in construction of a swimming pool in Mulayam Singh Yadav's home district.
यही मेरा कहना है कि सरकार को तत्काल प्रमुख सचिव गृह को निलंबित करना चाहिए, और अगर सरकार इस पर कार्रवाई नहीं करेगी तो जाहिर हो जाएगा कि प्रमुख सचिव गृह के द्वारा दिया गया बयान से सरकार की सहमति है। तब तो इस संवेदनहीन सरकार को सत्ता में रहने का नैतिक और कानूनी किसी प्रकार का हक ही नहीं रह जाएगा। और मेरी ये मांग है कि प्रमुख सचिव गृह को निलंबित करना चाहिए या किसी महत्वहीन पद पर बाबू बनाकर सचिवालय में बैठाकर इनके विरुद्ध जांच होनी चाहिए। और अगर सरकार नहीं करेगी तो मैं समझता हूँ कि सरकार गृह सचिव के बयान से सहमत है।
All right, Mr. Bajpai, thanks so much for speaking to Headlines today and sharing your views with us. Let's also get a word from our correspondent Amir Haq, who's joining us on the phone line from Lucknow. Amir, the SP government, we're being told, has suspended Shailesh Singh, a senior IS officer who was expected to retire in January next year. Apart from the fact that there's been delay in the construction of this world-class swimming pool that Mulayam Singh Yadav wants in his native village, are there other charges, any other charges against this IS officer?
No, Simi, no other charges have been pressed against the senior IS officer. In fact, this would have gone unnoticed had this been in the regular course. But since this involves the construction of a 200 crore all-weather swimming pool in Saifai near Etawah, this definitely has raised eyebrows. And also with the kind of affiliation that Mr. Shailesh Kumar Singh is understood to have, he is known to share a good relationship with certain leaders in the BSP. This is perhaps why at least his colleagues and people in the department tell us that this is perhaps the reason why such strict action has been taken against him. Also, it seems to be altogether very flimsy ground to suspend such a senior IS officer. He is actually due to retire in late January next year. And he could have offered an explanation for the delay in sanction of funds. It was delayed by 2 months. We in UP have seen worse officers who have been indicted and variously found guilty of either misconduct or
Right.
unprofessionalism.
Absolutely.
But none such officers have faced such strict action. Why Shailesh Kumar Singh? It's a big question, and perhaps the state government will need to come out and answer this.
Absolutely. Complete disregard and disrespect of the bureaucracy, especially in this matter. Amir Haq, thanks so much for those details. We'll continue tracking developments and also get more political reactions on this story.